Eiffel.
I think we need to get across that street, baby. We're going down that street.
It is a little chilly today, and it did rain quite a bit. So it's overcasted over here. But, oh, baby, you love to jaywalk. Oh, has been jaywalking the whole time, and I can't get him to stop. Someone please intervene.
I don't see the cops. I do not see the cops, so we might as well. Oh, here it is, baby. It just took you out of nowhere, right? All right, I don't need
Wow, okay, so we just got smacked in the face by the Eiffel Tower, not even realizing how close.
Hello, guys.
Wagwan!
Well, this is OJ Merge from the Eiffel in Paris, France. It's a beautiful day out here today. It is a little chilly, but nonetheless, a very beautiful day. As you can see, we're right next to the Eiffel.
And it is our 7-year anniversary. So shout out to our Merge family. It's been with us since year 1, day 1. What's up?
Let them know that we have made it 7 years. This is the 7th year anniversary, and we are in France.
Patty?
Paris. Thank you, guys.